Well, hello everybody, and welcome to the Will C Tech YouTube channel. So, this is probably the most terrifying thing I've ever done in my life, trying to talk to a camera. But today we're going to do the very first video for my channel, an unboxing video of the S26 Ultra by Samsung, Cobalt Blue. So, let's dive into it. So it looks right here, we have a little cut. Let's see if we can pull that loose. We can. Slide that over to the side so I don't cut myself. Let's see what we got in the box. All right, got some bubble. Empty. Good, empty. Some more bubble. And then here it is. This is directly from T-Mobile. I'm on a T-Mobile plan, been a loyal customer for years. I like the service. Where I live is pretty good, but this is the S26 Ultra in Cobalt Blue. This is the box. Looks like it's all black, pretty much the same design as last year. Looks like we have more of a Apple-esque design as far as tearing this off. I think I've seen this out. Maybe Apple did it first, maybe Samsung did it first. They all copy each other anyway, so I guess it really don't matter. But here's what the box looks like. So let's dive in and see what's in the box. Now in this video, we're not going to go over the specs because we'll do that on the next one. So number one. Number two. All right. Oh, look at that. Cobalt Blue gives it more of a blue / purple look to it. Now, let's see what's in. Set this over to the side for right now. Let's see what's on this side. Looks like we had some stuff over here. So we have the box. Looks like probably just the paperwork. SIM ejection tool. Various odds and end paperwork. Let's see what the cable looks like. Let's see. Hey, paperwork. Yeah, whatever. All right, so we got USB-C by USB-C. It's not braided. Looking for just a regular old, move out of the way, little slick cable. Nothing like a standard probably issue Samsung type cable. SIM ejection tool. Looks like just paperwork, quick start guide, all that junk that we probably never ever look at again. We'll set that over here. So let's look at the phone. That looks nice. Now I think the two things in this country that right now, the two issues that probably upsets more people right now than anything, number one is politics, whether you're Republican or Democrat. And the number two, are you Apple or are you Android? So for the last few years, definitely I've been more of the Apple side, but I decided to start this channel and I wanted to start by, looking at and reviewing the beast that is Samsung Ultra S26. Let's look at that. All right, so this is what we got here. Whoops, almost dropped it. We got the RSI. Look, they are the same color as the body. You got the 5 camera arrays, switches on the side, power and the volume rocker, but nothing on this side at all. Seems like a little bit of a wasted space. Goes on the top. And here we have the SIM ejection speaker plug-in. That's been. We'll look at that in a minute. So today we're just going to look at up until powering on. So here's where we're at. Let's do this. Look at that. That's so good. One of the rare things we get to do then fully enjoy. Screen's all flat. None of the curved beveled edges anymore. Thank goodness. I thought that was thought those are always terrible. So See all the lights in my, what little lights I have on my camera display, but we'll work on that. But that's what we're looking like. Let's pull out the S Pen. So what I've been reading, looks like you can only go one way with that. There's no Bluetooth in it anymore. Let you do via clicker. You can take pictures and other stuff. That's what it looks like. Looks like it has a curved edge on one side, so you can only put it in one direction. Let's put this back in there. Okay. So let's power it up. Oh, there we go. I guess it just took me a little second longer. Powered by Android. Look at that. That was the unboxing of the S26 Ultra. And next time, check back with us and we will be testing it out and trying some things and seeing what's different between iPhone and Android. So the question I have to ask myself is, with this being Will C Tech, and I'm Will C, so let's see if this Android can replace my iPhone. So I guess we'll see. Until next time.